Good morning, everybody. Myself is YB Angadi, Government First Grade College, Yelburga. Today's session, 4th semester Inorganic Chemistry, Program BSc, Subject Chemistry, 4th semester, first session number 1. Topic is coordination compounds. And in this topic covered syllabuses are introduction and nomenclature. Coordination compounds. What are the coordination compounds? What is the chemistry of the coordination? Coordination chemistry. Coordination chemistry is a branch of inorganic chemistry that deals with the study of coordination compounds is called coordination chemistry. Study of the coordination compounds. What are the coordination compounds? We know in the inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, we know the study of the organic carbon content. Here in the inorganic chemistry, we know 3 types of the compounds are known. Some are the simple salts, some are the double salts, some are the another one type is a coordination compounds. We know NaOH, Na plus and OH minus. Presence of the 2 simple ion in it called as the simple salts. NaCl, simple salt. For example, more salt. Presence of the FeSO4, NH4 plus SO4 and H2O content. 3 content in it, more than 1 simple salts in it called the double salt. Whereas these coordination compounds also having a double salt like compounds, but presence of the one special type of the ions in it called the complex ion. That means coordination compounds are the compounds they containing at least 1 complex ion in which a central metal ion is surrounded by certain number of ions or molecules through coordination bonds. Here is a considered K4 FeCN6. Presence of the 1 complex ion. Undergo ionization of this complex compound, liberation of the K plus and FeCN6 minus 4 ion. Presence of this complex ion. K3 FeCN6 minus 4 minus 3 also having the complex ion. CvNH3,4SO4 complex ion. CvNH3,4 plus 2. Here is a simple ion and complex ion. Presence of the at least 1 complex ion in the compound. What are the complex ion? Complex ion in the sense presence of the central metallic ion. These are the electrically charged species which contains central metal ion surrounded by certain number of molecules or ions called ligands forming coordinate bond. This one is a complex ion, cuprammonium ion. CuNH3,4 plus 2, electrically charged character, copper plus 2 is the central metallic ion surrounded by the 4 ammonia molecules through coordinate bonds. Coordinate bonds, lone pair of the electrons donation. One is a donor and another one is an acceptor relation. We know ionic bonding, plus and minus. One is a cation and another one is an anion interaction. Covalent bonding, mutual sharing of the electrons. And coordinate bond is one is a donation of the lone pair of the electrons, orbitals with the 2 electrons in the valence state, and another one is a vacant orbital. Such a type of the relation is a coordination relation. In this case, presence of the coordinate bonding, central copper plus 2 surrounded by the suitable 4 number of the ammonia molecules. Similarly, in this complex ion FeCN6 minus 4 ion, anion complex ion here. This one is a cationic complex. CuNH3,4 plus 2 is the cationic complex because electrically charged character is a plus 2. Plus character, cationic complex ion. FeCN6 minus 4 ion is the anionic complex, not a simple ion, complex ion. Centrally iron surrounded by the 6 cyanide ligands through coordination covalent linkages. Similarly, nickel CO fourth molecule, nickel is a central metallic ion. Carbonyl donate the lone pair of the electron, 4 carbonyls. This one is electrically neutral, hence the complex ion is the neutral complex ion. Hence the any cation complex ion, anion complex ion or neutral complex ion, central metallic ion surrounded by the ligand suitable number with coordination linkages. Such a type of the species are called as the complex ion. Let's consider complex ion. Copper plus 2 surrounded by the 4 ammonia molecule through coordination covalent linkage. Central metal and ligand, these are the ligand, and effective charge is the plus 2. Complex ion plus 2 charges. Such a type of the compounds are called, such a type of the complex ion containing compounds are called as the coordination compounds. In these coordination compounds, one part is the ligands, one part is the central metal ion. So neutral molecules are ions which is attached with the central ion in a complex through coordination bonds are called as the ligands. Ligands are the donation of the lone pair of the electron attached to the central metallic ion. And atoms with the ligands are attached through coordinate bond is called as the metallic atoms. Metallic atom receives the lone pair of the electron and ligands donate the lone pair of the electron, and hence these are called the ligands and central metallic ion. In the Lewis sense, metals are said to be electronic acceptor, pair of the electron acceptor. Ligands are lone pair of the electron donor, L, X number of the L. These are attached to the M, central metallic ion, complex ion, MLX raised to N, complex ion is formed. And in this coordination compounds, mainly two content, one is a ionizing sphere and another one is a coordination sphere. The central metal and ligands environment is written in the square bracket. This one is a coordination sphere. For example, in this example is considered CuNH3 twice Cl2Cl. These two Cl2 attached to the cobalt directly and coordination covalent linkage. But this Cl is ionic linkage is there, excluded from the square bracket. So this up to this one is said to be coordination sphere, and Cl is outside is there, the ionizing sphere. Whenever addition of the AgNO3 to this complex, only one Cl minus is act as a precipitating power. Hence only one Cl is in the ionic states. The portion of outside the sphere, Cl minus, is said to be ionizing sphere. Let's consider the number of the coordination compounds are known. Nowadays, very important aspect in the chemistry by the coordination compounds. Because of the specificity of the compounds, very specific action, specific reaction, specific function, coordination compounds are very much important. Hence in the research nowadays, crores and crores of the coordination compounds are isolated. New and new coordination compounds are formed. For example, in natural coordination compound is known blood, iron present at the central, surrounded by the porphyrin ring through coordination linkages. One of the site is a vacant that is suitable for the oxygen combination. Hence, it acts as an oxygen carrier. Similarly, in the chlorophyll, magnesium plus 2 is act as a central ion. Again, porphyrin ring surrounded by the magnesium, formation of the chlorophyll. A number of the specific examples which are already available and new synthesis of the coordination compounds are known. Hence, the systematize the chemistry of these coordination compounds. Naming is also be important. Common name is very tough to predict the all type of the coordination compounds. Hence, the IUPAC name recommendation is important. In this IUPAC naming, always govern the various type of the special rules for naming the any type of the compounds. Same way coordination compounds also be naming by using IUPAC recommendation. Certain rules. Let's consider these rules. First rule, order of naming the ions. Order of naming the ions. We have two ions in it. One may be complex ion, another one is a simple ion, or both are the complex ions. But ions may be cations and anions or neutral one. If the ion is an anion and the cation is there, always naming the ionic coordination complexes, the cation is named first and then anion. Like for example in NaCl, how the naming? Cation is named first, Na, sodium, chloride later. Same way here also be naming the coordination compound starts with the cation. For example K4 FeCN6, how this one is a naming? K4, this molecule undergo ionization, formation of the cation potassium and complex anion. Complex anion naming later first gives the potassium cation naming, hence starts with the potassium because potassium is a cation is named first. Potassium, hexocyanoferrate in this complex naming. The non-ionic coordinate complex, that's neutral complexes, however, are given a one-word name, single word. Here is a two-word name. For example, sodium chloride, sodium and chloride. Here, potassium and hexocyanoferrite. But in neutral complexes, for example, nickel CO4th molecule, tetracarbonyl nickel, zero oxidation state is mentioned. So this one is a neutral complex, one word name. Positive and negative complex ions, two word name. Complex ion or simple ions, first write the positive ion, cations are named. And later, second recommendations, naming the coordination sphere. In the coordination sphere, complex ion is the coordination sphere. In naming the coordination sphere, the ligands are named first and then the central ion. For example, in this molecule, up to this one is a complex ion coordination sphere. Complex ion is a coordination sphere. How this coordination sphere is a naming? Complex ion is a naming. This one is a starts with the ligand. Here contents are the metal and ligands. Ligands are named the first. So ligands are 4 ligands ammonia and one copper central metal ion is there. This one is outside SO4. Hence first named by ligands ammonias and later named the central metallic ion. Hence in the coordination sphere, two content mainly, one is a central ion metal and another one is a ligand part. First starts with the ligand. And while naming the ligands are considered, names of the ligands, how namings are used. Number of the ligands are known. And these basic ligands are classified in terms of mainly 3 ways. Names of the negative ligands are there. For example, Cl minus is act as a ligand, chloro naming. Br minus is act as a ligand, bromo word. Cn minus is act as a ligand, cyno. C2O4, oxalato, hydroxo, thiocyanoto, all ended with O suffix is used. Hence any type of the anionic ligand is there ended with O. Chloro, bromo, iodo, O is used. Positive ligand is there, very rare cases. So if it is there, IUM is ended. NO2 plus, if it is act as a cationic ligand, the word is given nitronium. If the ligands are neutral in the sense, these namings as it is. Neutral ligands are named as such, as it is. Ethylene diamine, pyridine, methylamine. These namings given as it is. However, certain ligands, these ligands with a special type of the examples are known. For example, H2O aqua, NH3 amine, NO2 nitrosyl, CO carbonyl, like special type of the ligands are known. They given the special type of the namings. So we 3 namings, one is a cationic ligand, anionic ligand, neutral ligand. Cationic ligands are IUM, anionic ligands ended with O, neutral ligands as it is, and certain special type of the naming. And order of naming the ligands. How the order, more than one type of the ligands included. For example, in this case is considered NH3,4, Cl, H2O, 3 ligands are there. Which one is taken the first? So this time ligands are named in alphabetical order, irrespective of their being a neutral, negative, positive, whatever the type of the charge. But based on the naming of the alphabetical, priority is given. Ligands are named in alphabetical order, irrespective of their being neutral, negative, positive, whatever the charge is there. Their naming starts with alphabetical order. In this example, ammonia is a ligand, amine, chlorine is a ligand, chloride, H2O is a ligand, this name is aqua. So amine first comes and later aqua and later chloro, alphabetical order. Hence the naming 4 tetramine, 4 ammonias are there, tetramines, aqua, chloro, cobalt, 3rd bromide. The naming of this complex ion. And numerical prefix to indicate the number of ligands, numerical prefixes to indicate the number of the ligands. If the same type of the ligands, more than two or more than 2 ligands, more than one simple ligands, particular kind is present, the prefix di, tri, penta, tetra, hexa, depending on the number of the ligands in it. For example, in this case, 4 ammonia ligands, tetra word is used. 2 ligands of chlorine, dichloro. Depends on the number of the ligands, prefixes are used. Tetramine, dichloro. And however, the some of the ligands have the complex names such as ethylene diamine. Already prefix in it. For example, ethylene diamine, di word included in them. So such a type of the ligands are called the complex ligands. So which are themselves contain the prefixes di, tri, tetra, etc. Their numbers. In this time, in order to avoid the ambiguities, these numbers indicated by using the prefixes such as bis, tris, tetrakis word. So while naming the more than one type of the same kind of the ligands, prefixes di, tris are used depends on the number, but in the complex ligands, bis, tris, tetrakis are 2 ways. Simple ligands, complex ligand. Complex ligands in the sense already prefixes in it. Already ethylene diamine, di word is there. Complex ion. This complex ion naming by using more than 2 complex ethylene diamine, 2 numbers are there. Bis word is used. If naming the central metal ion, all the namings of the ligands are over. Naming the central metallic ion, metallic atomic naming. When the complex ion is anion, the name of the central metal atom ends in ATE. Chromate, cobaltate, ATE is used. If central metallic complex ion, anionic complex ion is there. If the cationic and neutral complex ion is there, as such naming metal as it is, no question of changing. It may be noted that for anion complex, some Latin names of the metal ions are commonly used, like cuprate, aurate. These words are also be used. And also name the oxidation state of the central metal ion. Oxidation state of the central ion is designated by a Roman numeral in the parenthesis at the end of the name of the metal without any space. Immediately after naming the metal, mention the oxidation state of the central metallic ion. One of the mixing, combining ability of the central metallic ion. Oxidation state also be mentioned. For example, in this case, oxidation state of the iron is a 3, mentioned within the parenthesis 3. Immediately, ferrate is the central metal ion. Immediately, this may naming. K4FeCN6 again, mentioned the oxidation state. Where the metallic naming is there, immediately starts with the oxidation state. So this one is the numerical values of Roman numerals are used. Bridging of the groups. Sometimes bridged between the two metals, one ligands is there. So on that time mu word is used. And sometimes point of attachment of the ligands. Whenever more than one donor atoms in the ligands. For example, NO2. N of the NO2 donates the lone pair of the electron. Oxygen of the NO2 donates the lone pair of the electron. Two possibilities. In this time, we represents the point of attachment. Nitrogen of the NO2 donates the lone pair of the electron. Hence, the sodium hexa 6 nitrito O nitrito N is used. So this one is the point of attachment is also be considered. These are the 9 rules which are required for represents the naming of the coordination compounds. For example, this one is considered CuNH3,4SO4. According to first rule, starts with a cation. Complex ion is a cation. SO4 is a simple ion. Naming later. Complex ion, anion is there, SO4 later. Copper and NH3,4. This coordination sphere, complex ion. Complex ion naming starts with the ligand. Ligands are the ammonia. Ammonia, amine naming. But numbers are 4. Same ammonia, 4 number, tetra word. Tetramine, that's all. Copper, second is the oxidation state, and sulfate is the anion. Tetramine, copper sulfate. Similarly, oxidation state is +2. K3FeCN6. Potassium is a cation because according to rule starts with a cation, potassium. Afterwards complex anion. Complex anion naming by ligand starts. Hexa is the same sign at 6 numbers. 6 cyno. Ferrate is a complex anion is there. Ferrate AT word and immediately oxidation state mentioned. 3. K4FeCN6. Potassium is a cation. 6 cyno ligands, hexacyno and ferrate. 2 is the oxidation state. Similarly, sodium CONO2 6, sodium, hexa, nitrito N, cobalt third. So these are the certain namings of the coordination compounds. So in this session, small revisions of this sessions are considered. What are the coordination compounds? And coordination compounds are the complex ion content. Complex ion is the electrically charged species, and the 3 types of the complex ions may be cation, anion or neutral one. And this one is a central metal ion surrounded by the ligands. And central atom, ligands, and this one is written in the square brackets. And nomenclature of the coordination compounds by using certain rules. These rules are order of the naming the ions, and naming the coordination sphere, naming the ligand, order of the naming the ligand, numerical prefixes are used, and nomenclature of the metals and oxidation states. This included in this session. In the next session, we shall move to one of the basic explanation in the formation of the coordination compounds by Werner. That one is considered in the next session.